Hi, I'm Lexi. Let's learn 10 common house and home idioms. Number 1, safe as houses. It means extremely secure or low risk. Example, investing in government bonds is safe as houses. Number 2, home sweet home. It's an expression of joy at returning home. Example, after a long trip, she smiled and said, "Home sweet home." Number 3, get your house in order. It means organize your affairs or fix your problems. Example, before asking for help, he needs to get his house in order. Number 4, bring the house down. It means make an audience cheer or laugh loudly. Example, the comedian's final joke brought the house down. Number 5, a home away from home. It means a place that feels as comfortable as your own home. Example, that small bookstore has become a home away from home for me. Number 6, roof over your head. It means a place to live or basic shelter. Example, after losing his job, he was only worried about keeping a roof over his head. Number 7, there's no place like home. It means nothing feels as comfortable as one's own home. Example, after weeks of travel, she said, "There's no place like home." Number 8, house of cards. It means a weak plan or structure that can easily collapse. Example, their business plan turned out to be a house of cards. Number 9, make yourself at home. It means feel relaxed and act comfortably as if in your own house. Example, please come in and make yourself at home. Number 10, home is where the heart is. It means home is wherever the people you love are. Example, for many people, home is where the heart is. Great job, everyone! Now you know 10 common house and home idioms. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun English lessons. See you in the next video. Bye for now.